Hello! In this video, we will show you how to pair a Command Connect cabinet with your Fluidra Pool app. This process is valid for both AstroPool models, Command Connect Advanced and Command Connect Compact. First, make sure that both switches are pressed upwards. Then log into Fluidra Pool and go to the Equipment section in the bottom menu. You can easily add your new device by scanning the QR code. After a few seconds, your Command Connect will be connected. Next, you will need to configure the type of light you have in your pool. The app will ask you to check the type of light to confirm this operation. It will also need the construction data if you have not yet created your pool. Once you have done this, you will be able to activate, deactivate, and schedule the devices linked to your Command Connect. It's as easy as that! Enjoy your pool and schedule its maintenance from your mobile phone, wherever you are.